This tiny bird is in danger. A grasshopper that was too large has become stuck in its throat, leaving it unable to swallow or breathe properly. A man notices the struggle and immediately steps in. He doesn't rush. He doesn't panic. Instead, he stays calm and gentle, carefully holding the bird to avoid causing any harm. Slowly, with steady hands, he begins to pull the grasshopper out. Every second feels tense. Then, the bird is free. Its breathing returns, and the fear in its eyes begins to fade. Sometimes, a small act of kindness, done at the right moment, can mean the difference between life and death.